What are you doing the rest of your life? Need help answering that? Look into Cascadia Tech Academy. Love to cook and want to get paid for it? The Culinary, Baking, and Pastry Arts is your entry into great careers in the industry. You'll get hands-on and practical experience while learning the fast-paced world of professional cooking.
I am so glad that I chose to go to Cascadia because I don't think I would know the skills I have today without being here, and it's really beneficial.
You'll work in the Academy's restaurant and catering business, taught by professional chefs and hospitality instructors who can prepare you for jobs right out of high school with competency certifications in the culinary arts.
I want to own a bakery one day.
So, if you want your education to be a sweet deal, check out the Culinary, Baking, and Pastry Arts program at Cascadia Tech Academy. Your future awaits! What are you waiting for?